In this video, we're going to install Ubuntu 14.04, the latest long-term support or LTS version as of this recording. We'll install it inside of a virtual machine, inside of our Windows computer, using VirtualBox. So we can get VirtualBox from virtualbox.org, and then you go to Downloads, and you can select VirtualBox for Windows hosts, and download this. It's a very straightforward install procedure. I'm not going to cover it in this video for the sake of time, but using a virtual machine, we can try Ubuntu on our current computer without reinstalling the entire system. Installing Ubuntu as your primary operating system will follow a very similar install procedure, but it's destructive. It overwrites your existing operating system. If you want to do it that way anyway, please make sure you back up everything before installing it. I recommend installing it for the first time inside of a virtual machine so we don't have that worry. So to install Ubuntu, we go to ubuntu.com after we've installed our VirtualBox. And at ubuntu.com, we go to Desktop, Overview, and then we pick Download Ubuntu. We click the button, and we're going to download Ubuntu 14.04.2 LTS. So LTS means it comes with support for 5 years of security and maintenance updates. And we pick our flavor, here 64-bit or 32-bit. I'm going to select 64-bit for my system. You may need to select 32-bit for yours. Now we click download, and it's going to download or give us a screen to stop us first. No, take me to the download. We don't want to contribute right now. We can do that later. And our download will start automatically. So here it pops up here. Do you want to save Ubuntu 14.04 desktop AMD 64 ISO? Click save. And then it's going to do the download. Once the download is complete, we'll switch over to VirtualBox and install it in our virtual machine. Now we can create our new virtual machine for Ubuntu inside of VirtualBox. So inside of VirtualBox, we go New to create our new virtual machine. For the name, I'm just going to select Ubuntu 14.04. And you see when I typed Ubuntu in the name, it automatically selected the type. So there's various types of virtual machines we can create. Here I want Linux and whatever flavor of Linux we want to choose. In our case, we want Ubuntu 64-bit. Click Next. How much memory we want to put. Let's try 2 gigabytes, so 2048 megabytes. I've got 8 gigabytes on the machine, so let's start here with 2. That should be sufficient. We want to create a virtual hard drive. And VirtualBox disk image is fine. And dynamically allocated, this is all okay. We'll call it the same name, 8 gigabytes. Let's give it 16 gigabytes. I've got lots of space here. And now we can go into settings. Now I want to look for our DVD drive, our CD DVD drive, and then we go here, we choose a virtual CD drive, and it should be in downloads, and here Ubuntu 14.04 desktop AMD 64.iso. So this ISO is a DVD image. We'll select it, and I believe it should boot from the CD drive. We don't have a floppy, we can uncheck that. So it'll look for the DVD to boot first and then the hard drive. So if we do this and hit start, it should load that image we downloaded from ubuntu.com and give us the install procedure. So here it's booting up our VirtualBox. There's a few warnings from VirtualBox, but here we have our Ubuntu 14.04 from the DVD image. So now it should present us with the install dialogues. And there we have it. Our VirtualBox is set up in this video. In another video, we'll go through the install procedure.